Our world moves faster and faster, and it's changing around us. We're surrounded by people at work and at home, and we're always connected, always on. But human beings need breathing spaces. We need calm and closeness, time to ourselves and with others. We need time to just be, and we need to slow things down. At Plus HALLE, we create mental and physical space. Our furniture is conceived from a simple but strong idea about providing time and space. We call this creating human spaces. To us, form and function must be of the highest quality. That's why you'll find our furniture at some of the busiest locations, like Heathrow, Helsinki and Toulouse airports, at the Museum of Modern Art in New York, and at many hotels, universities, hospitals and corporations across the globe. To live up to our high environmental and labour standards, we design, produce and quality control all our furniture in Denmark. We do this in collaboration with some of the best furniture designers around, each bringing his or her own unique style to the process of creating human spaces. We are Plus HALLE.